Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library, and this is for my program Colorín Colorado. Hola, soy la señorita Amy, y esto es para mi programa Colorín Colorado. Today, we will be learning the names of musical instruments in Spanish. Hoy vamos a aprender los nombres de instrumentos musicales en español. So, let's get started. So, musical instrument is instrumento musical. A violin is el violín. A viola is la viola. The cello is el violoncello. The double bass is el contrabajo. The flute is la flauta. The drums are el tambor. The clarinet is la clarineta. The trumpet is la trompeta. And the guitar is la guitarra. In your craft packet, you will find the words and their pronunciations, our template for today's craft, and some poly pellets that we will use in it. So for today, we will be making some cactus maracas. So this is what my template looks like once it's been colored and cut out and then folded along these tabs. So this will be the stick of our maraca, and this will be where we put our little beads. And this is a flower on top that will look like a cactus flower. So now I'll show you how to put it together. We will start by taking our template, and we are going to start over on this side with this extra tab up here. And we will fold our individual maraca sides so that they can glue together right there. And they slowly make the cactus shape, or the shape of our maraca. So here is what our maraca starts to look like. So up at the top, we aren't going to glue this down yet because this is how we will fill it up with the polyfill pellets. So we are going to make the stick. And we are going to make our stick by using these two pieces of paper. So we'll take this longer one and we will wrap it around a pencil like this. And once you've done that, you can either glue it down or tape it. So I think I will tape mine, like so. And then we will take this and insert it in between these little ones. And we can put glue on these just so that they stick better onto this stick, just like this. And then we will take this extra piece and we can glue it around just to make sure it's a little more secure. So once you've glued it on there, we are going to take a strip of paper and ball it up. And then because our stick is hollow, we are going to put it up in there just so the beads don't fall out. And then we can go ahead and fill up our maraca with how many beads we want. So you can use either your whole baggie or you can only use a few depending on what sound you want your maraca to make. So now that I've poured in a few, I am going to finish taping up this part of mine. So you can glue it down using the tabs onto the inside of this. And then to secure it, you can also put some tape on top. All right, so there is my maraca, and now all I have to do is put my cactus flowers on top and we are done. So these are very simple. You can just shape them how you want And I'm doing this by using my nail. And then we just glue them on top. Alright, so that is my cactus maraca. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!